Desperately need a replacement evaporator coil for Lennox C23-41-1 If Lennox no longer carries them, where would you recommend I possibly find one?
Hello. My name is XXXXX I will do my best to help. Troubleshooting often requires meters and test equipment. Let's get started and see what we can do. Have you already tried local dealers? This is an R22 evaporator. Since 22 South African Rand is being phased out, production of this coil is discontinued. You can possibly replace the coil with a Goodman coil if you can physically get it in location. Goodman manufactures a coil that can be used with R22 or R410A new refrigerant, by simply changing out the metering device.
Yes, I was already aware Lennox did stop making these. I was wondering where online I might still find one. I can shoehorn in another model possibly. I understand to do so requires mods to my system and the duct work around it. I need to measure the headroom from the top of the coil upward. I think the current coil is about 141/2 inches and sits inside a sheet metal plenum on top of the furnace. So I was hoping you knew of a place that carried some stock OEM parts, although a dying model. If I need to use the Goodman, what are the measurements I should make?
Goodman offers a 14.5 inches and a 17.5 wide in most models. Of course, the 14.5 is going to be a bit taller. I think your current coil is only 18.75 tall. Is this going on a gas furnace?
Okay, yes, it is a gas furnace made by Lennox. This is the original coil, which is now leaking refrigerant. The HVAC tech says he can get a York in there, but it will take quite a bit of work and around $2,000. So I was hoping to find an exact OEM replacement or similar, at least in size, to avoid the reconstruction of the sheet metal, etc.
I believe the Goodman coil you would have to use is the COF 042B2 series. It is a little wider. The coil itself is 16WX20 tall. About the only chance of finding a Lennox C23 would be somewhere like eBay or Craigslist. I am sure you have probably done so, but you might Google the model if not and locate something.
Okay, thanks. Last comment, and then I am done. Is the 450 psi equivalent to the tonnage rating, or is it unrelated? Otherwise, that's all I have for now.
The 450 is just a test pressure on the coil. Tonnage is determined by model number. Your 44 in model means 41,000 bis.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.